Hello again. Based on some usability tests, I improved the SharkC64 language and the development environment. There are some breaking changes and some new features. Let's first have a look at the breaking changes. In this release, the syntax of the SharkC64 language has been simplified a bit. Although this is a cosmetic change, it is a breaking change. This is what the source code looked like before, and this is what the source code looks like now. Firstly, the main body of the module started with a begin keyword. Now it starts with an init keyword. Secondly, a list of constant fixed values started with a const keyword. Now it starts with a val keyword. And lastly, the function body used to be delimited by begin and end keywords. Now only the start of the function body is indicated with an is keyword. The end of the function body is now implicit, and it is determined by the next fun or init keywords. Although this is a very small change, it removes clutter effectively. The program structure is now much clearer as the source code aligns better. The language has now also a modern feel to it. As for the new features, the editor includes now autocomplete. When you start typing, a list of candidates is shown below the cursor. When you type more, the list narrows down until one candidate remains. If you then press the tabulator key, it gets selected. When you are typing a word, autocomplete can suggest also partial completion. You can choose that by pressing the tabulator key. You can then continue typing the rest of the word and press the tabulator key to complete the word. The autocomplete uses actually a liberal matching algorithm. The algorithm includes a candidate if it has the typed letters in the given order. A candidate is allowed to have other letters and digits in between. This means that you don't need to type all the letters. So, for instance, when the list of candidates is long like here, you can narrow it down fast by typing the next separating character. Now that there is only one candidate left, you can press the tabulator key to select it. In addition to the autocomplete, there is also a jump back feature. If you jump in the source code like this, you can jump back by selecting the jump back item from the edit menu. Lastly, the high-resolution sprite editor supports now undo and redo actions. So, those were the changes that I made based on the usability tests. Next, I will add an integer data type to the language. Until then, thanks for stopping by and see you soon!